student, of question number 5. A seminar hall has 1764 seats in the form of rows. Each rows containing as many seats as there are rows. Suppose that 4 rows are there and each rows are as many students as the example, dear students, as number of rows, 4 rows and 4 students in each row. So total students total students 4 into 4 equal to 16. In each rows, if it is given total students and in each row how many students are there or number of rows we have to find, then we will find the square root of this. Okay, 4 into 4 means 4. Okay, so like the same thing is there. A seminar hall has 1764 seats in the form of rows, each rows containing as many seats as there are rows. How many seats are there in each row? So number of seats in each row equal to square root 1764. Now we'll find the square root of 1764 by prime factorization method. By 2 8 जा 16, 2 8 जा 2 2 जा 2 4 जा 2 4 जा 2 1 जा. Now by 3 by, because sum of all digits is divisible by 3, so 3 1 जा 3, 3 4 जा 12, 3 7 जा 21, 3 4 जा 12, 3 9 जा 49, 7 7 जा 49, 7 1 जा. So 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 7 into 7. From the pair of 2, we will take out 2. From the pair of 3, we will take out 3. From the pair of 7, we will take out 7. 2 3 are 6, 7 are 42. Means number of rows, yes, 42. Now, number of seats in each row is 42 and number of rows is also 42. For each of the following, find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. It is 1008. Second part. Now we will factorize 1008 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 4s are 8. Again by 2, by because large digit is 4. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 6. Now 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are. See, 1008 can be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 7. Dear student, what we are seeing, we have to multiply to this by the number to get perfect square. By which number should be multiplied to this? By smallest, which smallest number should be multiplied to this to get perfect square. So see, this square, this is in square form, this is in square form, but 7 is not in square form. So what we will write? we will multiply by 7. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 7 into 7. So by this, by 7 we will multiply to get. So 7 is the smallest number by which 1008 should be multiplied to get perfect square. Okay, now we have to find the square root of this number, square number. So what is the square number? 1008 into 7, and we have to find the square root of this. So it is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 7 into 7. Okay, so take out this 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Take out 2 from the pair of 2, take out 2 from the pair of 2, take out 3 from the pair of 3, take out 7 from the pair of 7. This is 5607. 2 to the 4, 3 the 12, 7 the 84. This is the answer. Yes, dear student. Now question number 7, second part. 7, second part. For each of the following number, find the smallest number by which it should be divided so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. So second part I am doing 3645. Now we will factorize 3645. See, sum of all numbers, sum of all digits is divisible by 3. How? 3, 6, 9, 4, 13, 5, 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, again by 3, 4 ja 12, 1 5 will write down together, 2 digit. So 0 here, 3 5 ja 15, 3 again by 3, 4 5 9, 9 is divisible by 3. So 5 is divisible by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15, again by 3, 1 plus 3 4, 5 9, 9 is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, again by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, now by 3 5 ja 15, 5, this, see, 5, 3 6 5 4 5 equal to 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. So by which number find the smallest number by which it should be divided so as to get perfect square. By which number it should be divided? If we will divide by 5, see, so it will be perfect square. So pair means it should be in pairs. 3 pair, 3 pair, 3 pair, where 5 pair is not there. So we will divide it by 5. So 5 will be removed. Now it will be in pair 3 into 5 upon 5. So 5 7 ja 5, 7 ja 35, 1 4 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja 7 29. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 5 is the smallest number, is the smallest number by which 5 is the smallest number by which 3645 should b multiplied so as to get perfect square. So as to get perfect square. Okay, and find the perfect uh, square root of the number which obtained. Now we'll find the square root of number which obtained. So it was 729. Okay, we'll find the square root of this number. Number obtained 729. 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Already we know the factorization. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81, 3 is 243, 3 is 729. From the pair of 2, 3 will take out 3. From the pair of this 3 will take out 3. From this pair of 3 will take out 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Now square root of the number which obtained is 27. This is the answer. Now additional question number 9. Find the value of this. So what to do here? 4 plus square root 44 plus 10,000. Dear student, 10,000 can be written 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 4 times. Okay. So 4 plus square root 44. You take out 10 from the pair of 10, from the pair of 10. 10 into 10, it is 4 plus 44 plus 100. Now 4 plus 144. Okay. Then 4 plus 144. We will factorize 144, 2 7 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 18 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. So 1 2 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Okay, then 4 plus 2 into 2 into 3. 4 plus 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. It is 16. 16 can be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. From this 16, we will take out, from the pair of 2 we will take out 2. From the pair of 2 we will take out 2. It is 4. This is the answer. Okay dear students.